This Instagram account that you're seeing right now is currently bringing in $11,000 for the owner. And the funny thing is that this person that you're seeing right here on this account is actually not a real person. Now, this person is actually an AI generated influencer which the owner has created that is now helping him to be able to make money each and every month without having to show his or her face. And this is probably one of the best kept secrets on the make money with AI space right now, where a couple of people have figured out how to create hundreds of AI models that help them to make money online passively without having to do much work on their own end. And the best thing is that anyone from anywhere could be able to do this, because this does not require you to show your face or even be fluent in English or have any tech skill for you to be able to create your own AI models which you can use to start making money for yourself. And that's why in this video I'm going to be walking you through on how you can be able to go ahead to create your own AI influencer, monetize it, and also go ahead to generate traffic to your AI influencer that will allow it to be able to start generating money for you each and every month. And if you watch this video to the very end, I'm going to be giving you a free gift that will allow you to earn up to $1,000 within the next 30 days. Now, before we jump fully into the video, I would like to share with you why I think that this is probably the best way for anyone that is looking to make money using AI from 2025 and above should follow, that can help them to generate lots and lots of money. Now, the first reason is because this does not require any experience or tech skill from your side for you to be able to implement, as you're going to see in this particular video. And also, this is very easy for you to scale, and this AI influencers you're going to be creating is going to be working for you 24/7, meaning while you're sleeping, these things are making you money out there. Okay, so you can easily automate your content creation using these AI models, and it will go out there and keep making money for you. So let's quickly jump into the video right now, and I'm going to walk you through on how you can go ahead to create your own AI influencer without any experience or skill, and also how you can go ahead and monetize it, go ahead and generate traffic for it, so that you can be able to start raking in the thousands of dollars each and every month for yourself. To get started towards building our own AI model, we are going to be using this tool known as Picasso.ai. Now, this tool right here is an ultra realistic generative AI tool which you can use to train your own roller AI models and generate ultra realistic AI content in seconds. Now, with this particular tool right here, you can be able to create consistent and realistic AI characters by training your own AI model. So what you have to do right now is just to go to the description of this particular video. You are going to see the links to easily sign up for this tool and other links that I'm going to be mentioning in this particular video. So once you come over right here, all you simply have to do is to go ahead and click on Launch Picasso to go ahead and sign up, or you can go ahead and click Start Creating for free right now to gain a free access into this particular tool. Now, once you land on your dashboard right here, simply go ahead and click on this Create AI Character to create your own AI character. Now go ahead and give it a name. Now I've gone ahead to give my own AI influencer Mighty Mark because I'm trying to target the fitness niche. Okay, so you also have to know the niche that you want to go into so that you can be able to select a name that fits that niche. Okay, now once you have gone ahead to give it a name, go ahead and click on next step. Now once you have added the name, the next thing you need to do is to quickly go ahead and add a target face. Okay, now you have to understand that this face will be the default for the AI influencer in the face swap tool. So go ahead right now and select the face you want to add right here. So I've gone ahead to select the face I want to use. I'll go ahead and click on preview. You can see the face right here. So I'll go ahead right now and click on save. Now once that is done, I'll go ahead and click on create AI character. Okay, so now that you have done this, the next thing you need to do is to go ahead to start training your AI model. So come down right now, you're going to see this screen right here. So this will allow you to be able to train your AI character to generate AI images with it. So go ahead right now and click on train. So once you're here, you can go ahead to start training your AI character by uploading multiple images right here. So as you can see right here, they say you need to upload up to 50 images right here. So you actually need at least 10 images to achieve a successful training. Okay, so simply come over right here and go ahead and drag and drop more photos right here to be able to start training your AI character. So right now I've gone ahead to upload a couple of photos I want to use to train my AI character. I will go ahead and select all right to upload and train these images, and I will go ahead and click on next. Now once you land on this page, now the next thing you need to do is to go ahead and select the training steps that you want so that you can be able to go ahead and train your AI influencer. Now note that the more steps you select, the better chance to get the best results. So right now I have 2,000 steps right here. Okay, so right here is actually gonna take an estimated 40 minutes to be able to complete the training, and also it's gonna cost me like 40 gems right here. Okay, so right here you can see I have insufficient gems, so I already have 5 gems right now, so I need 35 more gems. Now to be able to get more gems, you can simply go ahead and click on this premium, and it's going to load up this page. So right here you can see that to get 50 gems right here is going to cost you just $6, okay, to properly train your AI character. So once you get it right now, then you can easily go ahead and decide to increase your training steps. So if I increase it to 2,500 steps, it's going to cost me 50 gems right here. So the more you increase the training steps, the more gems it's going to cost you, and the better result it's going to get you. So once you have been able to select the number of training steps you want, simply go ahead right now and click on start training, and it will go ahead and start training your AI character. And for those who do not know how to generate images in the first place, you can easily go to their AI image generator. So the AI image generator allows you to create stunning images using their AI. So all you have to do is just to describe what you want to see, and their AI generator will go ahead and generate it for you. Okay, now the same thing goes with their AI video generator. Let's say you want to generate a video, all you have to do is just to describe what you want and click on generate, and it's going to go ahead and generate the video that you are looking to achieve from the prompt you gave to it. So this is basically what we'll be using Picasso.ai to be able to do, where you can be able to build your AI models, and this is very fast and easy for you to do and doesn't require any test skill for you to be able to do that. Now once you have been able to build your AI model, now the next thing is for you to be able to go ahead and monetize it. So the platform that will allow you to be able to monetize your AI character and start using it to make money, just like Aitana is making money for its owner right now, is this platform known as Fanvue.com. This is a platform trusted by over 150,000 creators, and this is where AI and human creators can be able to earn money. And there are different ways you can be able to use this platform to earn money. So you can be able to earn money from subscription, whereby you'll be able to put out some exclusive content behind a paywall. Using that, your AI influencers and your top fans will be able to subscribe, and this will start generating you recurring revenue as long as your fans are subscribed to your account. Okay, now the next one right now is where you'll be able to connect with your fans with messaging. Okay, so here you can be able to connect with your fans via direct messages, and it can also be paid or free, whichever way you want to be able to do it. And also you can be able to sell your content with pay to view. So right here you can be able to upsell most of your exclusive content with pay to views once you go ahead and become a creator. Now to become a creator, you can go ahead right now and click on become a creator right here, or you can come over right here and click on become a creator, so that you can start using your AI influencer to make money right now. Now once you have gone ahead to sign up your account, now this is how your account is actually going to go ahead and look. So you can even decide to go ahead and click on discover creators to discover other creators that are doing incredible things right here on this platform. You can even see some of them suggested right here on the right hand side. You can see Aitana Lopez right here, which is the lady I showed you guys that is currently making $11,000 per month for its owners right here, which is an AI influencer. And if you go ahead and open up our own account right here, so you can see how everything is set up right here, the name, number of videos that you already have, number of likes he already has. You can see his bio right here, and you can even see where it says powered by AI to show you that this is actually an AI influencer right there. Now for you to be able to view some of our content right here, so you have to be a subscriber and to be able to join right now. So right now it's charging $7.5 per month, and you can see right here they have few offers right here, and a lot of people are subscribed on this particular account right here to be able to view the content that she is uploading right here. So this is basically one of the ways that they make money right now. So all you simply have to do once you sign up, go ahead and click on this become a creator. Now right here you can see average creator earning is 3k to 10k per month. So the next thing you need to do, just come over right here and click on start earning. So right here they will ask you who referred you, so you can go ahead and use the referral code I'm going to put in the description of this particular video. So go ahead and click on continue. Now go ahead and select your country of residency. This accepts people from all over the world. Right now over here it's going to ask you how do you create your content. So obviously we are using AI, so we select AI created, and go ahead and click on continue. What do you plan on creating? So if you're creating food content or fitness, in my case I'm creating fitness content, whatever you're creating content on, go ahead and select it right here and click on continue. How do you identify? So female, male, non-binary, other. So I'll go ahead and select male right here, or you can even select I prefer not to say. Now set your profile picture and handle. Now remember that you are going to be setting the AI influencer profile picture that you actually created using Picasso right here. So that's actually what you need to go ahead and put right here. Okay, so right here I've gone ahead to upload my AI generated influencer picture right here, and I also put the name right here and also the handle right now. Now if you don't know how you can be able to do that, just simply go ahead and take a look at other creators and how they are doing their own to model after them. And once you have done that, simply go ahead right now and click on continue. Now here you need to go ahead and set your banner and bio. So right here I can go ahead and include my bio right now, which I actually generated using ChatGPT. So you can actually use any AI to be able to generate your bio right here. Okay, so basically what I did was I went ahead and copied this lady's bio and actually asked ChatGPT to translate it for a bodybuilder right here, and it provided this particular stuff. Okay, so you can also go ahead and do that. Now for this banner I'm going to set it later, so you can even go ahead and click on skip now, or once you're done go ahead and click on continue. Now how much will fans pay you? So right here you can see that right here Aitana is actually charging currently $15, but it's running a discount of $7.5 per month right now. Okay, so you can decide to start with $9.99 right now, just like they have right here, or you can decide to reduce your price. It all depends on your target audience. Now I will encourage you to ensure that you go ahead and check out other creators and see what they are charging, most especially those one in the niche that you're creating your AI influencer in, so that you make sure that you are not overcharging or undercharging. But right now we'll just leave it at $9.99, but remember that the minimum charge is this $3.99 and maximum is $100. Now once you have done that, go ahead and click on continue. Now the next step right here is to go ahead and verify your identity so that you can be able to cash out your earnings. So right here, this is actually advisable to use your smartphone to do, so that it's easier for you to complete this verification. Okay, so right now I've gone ahead to complete my verification. It's very easy to do. You can do that under a minute or two. Okay, now once we're done, now right here they say, where did you hear about us? So you can say something like, I saw a video on YouTube from Martin EO. Okay, once you're done, just go ahead and click on continue. And right now you can see, congratulations, you are now officially a Fanvue creator. So go ahead and click on finish. You have successfully set up your Fanvue account, which you can use to monetize your AI influencer and start earning money for yourself using that AI model that you created. So right now you can also go ahead and complete your profile. You can see that my profile is still under that 8% right now, so you can need to go ahead and add my banner picture, input intro video, add automated messages, create my first post, and input my social media handles, so that you can be able to get this to 100%. But before we go ahead and start doing that, let's talk about how you can be able to start getting traffic to this particular account. Now, to be able to start generating traffic so that you can be able to grow your AI influencer, and one of the best ways you can go ahead and start doing it right now is to go ahead and create a social media account for your AI influencer, most especially creating an Instagram account or creating a TikTok account and also an S account. So once you have created your account, go ahead and start recreating all those trending videos or all those trending sounds that people are actually recreating that is going viral on social media. Recreate it using your own AI influencer. Now, I know you're going to ask me, how can you do that, Martins? I'm going to show you how later, okay? Now, another thing you can also do is to collaborate with other AI creators so that both of you can be able to grow your followings and be able to attract more audience to each other's face. And always make sure that you are including the link to your Fanvue account directly to those Instagram accounts that you have or the posts that you are making online, so that a lot of people will keep on visiting it if they are interested or if they love what you are posting on those social media accounts. Now, if you have watched this video to this very moment, I want to say a very big congratulations to you, because it shows that you are serious about making money with what I'm about to share with you right now. And that's why I promise that I have a gift for anyone that watches this video till this particular moment. And the gift I'm going to be giving you guys right now is an access to a 100% free training that is actually going to guide you a step-by-step process on how you can be able to implement everything I said in this particular video and stand a chance to be able to generate your first $1,000 within the next 30 days by following that training. So if you want the full free course that shows you step-by-step how to start and earn with your own AI influencer, go ahead and click the link in the video description of this particular video or in the pinned comment and sign up free today at the Fanvue AI Creator Academy. This particular training will show you how to master AI influencer creation and start earning in 30 days. Now, this is completely free of charge as at the time of making this video, so go ahead and take advantage of it so that you can be able to learn the complete creation and monetization system, join the private Discord community, and also see other people's success stories and case studies so that you can model after them to create your own, and other step-by-step implementation guide. Okay, now here is everything that you're going to be getting from this course completely for free. So you are going to be getting complete AI influencer course which worth $2,000, step-by-step creation guide which worth $500, marketing and platform strategies, how you can be able to better promote your AI influencer to be able to make more money for yourself, the monetization blueprint, brand new Discord community, live question and answer section, and also application-based one-on-one coaching access, and also tools and resources library that you will need to successfully make these things to start working for you. Now, the total value of everything right here is $6,300+, but right now you can be able to unlock everything for free just by clicking this get free access now to be able to gain access to this entire course right here. Okay, so this is the dashboard right now. It has everything you will need for you to become profitable using this AI influencer model strategy. And like I said, all the links I mentioned in this video is going to be in the video description of this particular video, so quickly go ahead right now, take advantage of this, and be among the few people that are currently taking advantage of this to make money for themselves using AI influencers without having to show their face. Thank you for watching this video, and see you on the next one.